Hi guys, hope you all are doing amazing. So in today's video we are going to talk about one of my favorite makeup products, which is mascara. So I have found a new mascara which is really amazing. So I'm talking about L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. So in my case, mascara is one of the makeup products that can actually lift the whole makeup, because I have very short and straight lashes, and if a mascara is not good, no matter how good the makeup is, it will not look that great. So I saw so many international YouTubers talk and rave about L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara that I was really interested in waiting for it to launch in India. And the moment it was launched, I immediately picked it. So this is not a new product on my channel. In a lot of previous makeup looks, I have used this mascara. If you search my channel, you will find a lot of videos where I have used this. And that is the reason why I decided to do a complete review on this mascara, because this is one of the best drugstore mascaras I have come across. My lashes are straight and short, and they definitely need a good quality waterproof mascara to keep curled and stay in that shape whole day long. So what makes this mascara amazing? So I think the wand is one of the biggest factors that can make or break a mascara for you. The wand is hourglass shaped, as you can see, and it has wavy bristles that coat each and every lash with the formula, make them long and voluminous. Fibers here are almost 200 plus, and I have not seen this kind of wand in any other drugstore mascaras, to be very honest. Now the formula is also amazing because it has castor oil, rose oil and cornflower extracts, which makes this mascara really nourishing for your lashes. So castor oil, I'm sure a lot of you guys know that castor oil is really good for your hair, your scalp hair, your eyebrows, eyelashes, everywhere, because it's a very beautiful nourishing oil. So is the rose oil. And now I'm going to apply it on my right eye so that you guys can see the difference, because the difference is going to be really dramatic. Now the best way to apply mascara is apply it on the roots of your lashes and wiggle it outwards and upwards. And one coat is all you need to get a beautiful dramatic effect. As you can see, the difference between both the eyes is very much visible. My right eye looks much opened up, wide awake than my left eye. Now the fibers on this mascara are very flexible and soft. They are not very harsh, and that's how you get a very beautiful coat of formula across your lashes. The wand actually separates each and every lash. It doesn't clump them, and that's how your lashes look really beautiful. I think I can really compare L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara to a lot of high-end mascaras I have tried over the period of 10 years. I have been blogging for 10 years now, and I cannot tell you how many mascaras I have tried. So this is a waterproof formula, which means it's not going to budge, it's not going to move, it's not going to flake. It's going to keep your lashes stay curled and up entire day. I'm going to get on with the whole day activities or whatever I have to do today, and I'll come back and show you guys how this mascara looks after few hours. So here I am after 7 hours of wearing this makeup, and the makeup has faded a little, but you can see the mascara is still going strong. So if you guys are looking for a really good quality mascara that can stay on for whole day long, that can keep your lashes curled, that can keep them looking fresh, then do check out L'Oreal Paris Lash Paradise Mascara. I would highly recommend it to you guys. I'm going to leave a link to purchase this mascara in the description box below. Do not forget to check it out. That was about it. I hope you guys liked and enjoyed this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a big thumbs up. If you are watching me for the first time, please subscribe, and I'll see you very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.